Wagwan, my lovely taquitas, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining, hi, I really do hope you subscribe and stick around. Well, today I'll be making my spicy garlic and herb compound butter, and you can put this butter on just about any and everything, baby. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Everything listed here is what I usually use, except for one ingredient, which is the black garlic seasoning. You'll see that into the video. I did not put it at the beginning because it was a last minute decision. However, everything else remains the same, and trust me, the flavor is yummylicious, if that's the word. Anyway, let's begin, shall we? And guys, this is how I like my compound butter. Remember, you have a lot of variety. You can make yours with fresh rosemary, you can make it with fresh parsley, you can make it with fresh hot peppers. Anyhow you like it. You can omit the hot peppers, you can add sweet peppers. Make it your style, boo boo. So, I'm just gratering my garlic. I'm using the microplane side of the grater. If you have a separate microplane, use it, bubble. You can even use a mortar and pestle. And now I'm just going to start off by adding my butter. I'm adding my stick of anchor. However, it got too softened. I usually work with it a little bit more firmer. However, I just left it on the cupboard, went outside for a sec, and boom, everything melted. Damn, they melt so fast and easy. Anyway, I'm just scooping this out. That's one stick. I think it's about 100 gram. Yes, it is 100 gram. Alright, so now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the chiffon. Boops, yes, me. And then I'm gonna come in with the country crock, and this one melted, bobo. And then I'm going to add the garlic and fresh thyme, and the thyme is fresh. I don't know, it oxidized when it's cut up. So yeah, go ahead, enjoy the rest of the video. Listen to those sweet soothing sound of Hot 97 FM, and just meet me at the end of the video. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, pretty please. Here's the black garlic powder season that I was talking about. I don't usually add this, but I'm adding it now, because I want every kind of garlic in this zimmy. So yeah, this nice on everything. Bad. And guys, we're ready to roll. But let me tell you something, this one is very soft. I don't usually work with it like this. I usually put it back on the freezer, let it get a little bit firmer, and then I work with it. But could better, sometimes I do it the fast way. And let me tell you something, guys, this is not the way I usually roll it. It was too soft, and the way I usually roll it, it would have leaked out. So I'm gonna just do it that way. Yeah, don't do it like me. And thanks for watching again, guys. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.